Today we are going to review Instantly AI, a tool that promises to make cold email outreach simple and scalable using artificial intelligence. If you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or you run a sales team and you want to send personalized email at a scale without doing everything manually, this video will help you understanding whether Instantly AI lives up to the hype and if it is worth your time and money. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try the Instantly AI with any available special access or free trial. When you decide to use the link in the description, any benefit that will be applied automatically, so you can get started without any confusion. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Instantly AI is a cold email outreach platform designed to help you send large volume of personalized email. And also it's for the find leads, warm up your sending domains and manage your campaigns all from one place. One of the biggest feature that people talk about the ability to connect unlimited email accounts and warm them up automatically. Warm up is the process that improves your sender reputation and helps your email lands in the inbox instead of the spam folder, and Instantly includes this feature, so you don't need another tool just for warming up. Another important set of the feature is the AI powered writing and personalization. Instantly lets you generate cold email templates, subject line, openings, and even follow-ups using the AI. It can insert dynamic fields like names, company details, and personalized instructions to make your outreach email feel more natural and relevant. Instantly also tries to help you scale your campaigns by rotating sending accounts across the multiple inboxes. This means you can distribute your email volume across different sender accounts, so each one sends fewer emails per day, which reduces the risk of being flagged by email providers and helps you to maintain deliverability as you grow. Because Instantly insides a built-in lead database, you can search and filter business contacts inside the platform without buying lead lists separately. This makes it possible to find the prospects, verify email addresses, and launch the campaigns all within one workflow. The campaign setup is designed to be easy to use with a visual builder where you choose your audience, create your email setup, and add the AI generated content and schedule when your emails go out. You can also run the variations of your emails like split testing, subject lines, or messaging style to see which version gets better responses. But before you get too excited, it's important to look at the both of positive and the less positive feedback that users share. Many users prize Instantly for convenience and ease of setups. User on platform like the Trustpilot that mention the interface feels clean and campaigns are very easy to create even for the people who are not very technical. The built-in features like warm up and the unlimited sending accounts that makes it a strong choice for cold outreach at a scale compared to having to stitch together multiple tools. At the same time, others point out the pricing concern and the feature limitations. Certain advanced features like A/B testing or centralized inbox management, they are only available on the higher tier of plans, which can make the pricing more expensive than expected if you want the full functionality. There are also mixed reviews about the lead quality and the accuracy. Some users report that the built-in lead database that sometimes contains outdated or inaccurate contacts, which means you might still need to verify leads manually before launching your campaign. Another point to consider is that Instantly focuses mostly on email outreach only. If you are looking for a tool that messages outreach across the multiple channels like LinkedIn or SMS together, Instantly does not include all of that natively. You might need additional tools or integrations if multi-channel outreach is important to you. So that's the overall verdict. If your goal is cold email outreach at scale, managing dozens of hundreds of campaigns, sending high volumes of personalized email, and doing what with other built-in warm-up and lead discovery, instantly AI offers a powerful and centralized solution that can save a lot of time compared to the traditional manual methods or separate apps. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to improve their cold outreach strategy. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. Don't forget to use the link in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.